So the BSR for this shirt is 67. This shirt is making approximately 13,000 sales per month. So whoever a calculator there, do a quick calculation. 13,000 times, and this shirt is priced 1649 euros. So go to merch by Amazon. Under the shirt, instead of 1331, which is the base price, we're gonna change it to 1641. So this person is making approximately 199. That's the royalty. So we're gonna take 13,000 times 199. So per month, this shirt is making approximately $25,000 per month, guys, just from one shirt. This is absolutely crazy. So in this video, we're doing the top 5 Mother's Day niches because that is what is trending right now, and I'm gonna show you the 5 shirts that are doing quite well with very low BSRs like this one. So if that's something you're interested in, if you like watching videos like this, do well to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. Let's go. So guys, this is the niche I was talking about. Actually, the shirt I was talking about. So as you can see here, BSR is 67. I've never seen a BSR on a shirt like this, so low. I've never seen this before. And it's in the ES marketplace, Espanol, or the Spain marketplace. And you guys know that I like looking for shirts in all the marketplaces because you have some very good shirts, very low BSRs like this that are hidden in other marketplaces, and when you focus on maybe the US marketplace, you can't see them. So I like to always do a search for all the marketplaces, and I found five shows like this. So this is one of them. I don't speak Spanish, so I just copy that and go to Google Translate and paste. And it says Mother's Day best in the world, daughter, son, mama, woman. I'm sure they're just keyword stuffing right there. Anyway, all I can say is that it's a Mother's Day shirt. It says Papa Yeyo Estamos de Acuerdo, Mama Ella Major. Ella Major. I speak French, so I think this one says here, Mommy is the bigger one or what? Mama Ella Major. Let me see. Mama Ella Major. Mommy is the best. Spanish detected. So Mommy is the best. It's a Mother's Day shirt. So that was our first Mother's Day shirt. And we're gonna go to the next one. This one is um the best mom in the world. Mejor. I'm not sure if it's Mayor or Major. But I'll just say Mayor. La Mejor Mama del Mundo. So I'm very sure this is best mom in the world, but um just to be extra sure, let's copy that and paste it in Google Translate. Yeah, the best mom in the world. I tell us much. And this one too, 424 BSR, guys. This is crazy. Still in the Spanish marketplace, and price 19.99 euros, over 203 sales, 13 reviews plus. And moving on to the next. Moving on to the next shirt. Next shirt is this one. It says Mama Abbiamo. Wait, okay, Italian marketplace. So let's copy this and see what this shirt is talking about. But I saw Mama there, so I knew for a fact that this is a Mother's Day shirt, and it also has a 2000 BSR. So I'm gonna copy that and put it on Google Translate. It says Women's Mother's Day Best World Son Daughter knitted shirt. Are you kidding me? Why would you even put that in your list of keywords? It's not a knitted shirt. Um, but as you can see, it says Mama there, and this shirt is another one that is doing quite well. So maybe it's Google Translate that is messing up the translation. It says knitted, but I'm not sure. If you know Italian, please let us know in the comment section below if this translation is correct. But Let me just copy the first description and see what it's saying. So copy this one to go to copy it again, paste. Oh, Father's Day gave t-shirt superhero Mother's Day. So they're just putting on so many keywords for Father's Day, Mother's Day, superhero. I don't recommend you do this. If this shirt is only for Mother's Day, I recommend you put it only for Mother's Day, instead of adding Father's Day there, because when you put Father's Day like that, it confuses the algorithm. When your shirt shows up, um, when you show a Mother's Day shirt and it shows up when someone is searching for Father's Day shirt, and no one clicks on it, it instead hurts um, the the shirt, because the algorithm will think that maybe they don't like the shirt. I'm gonna push it down and down and down, further down, um, to the last pages. So I recommend that you put all the keywords that are related to the shirt. Um, if it's not about a fantasy shirt, please don't add it. So this one to 2000 bears are not bad. So that was the third shirt. The fourth one is this one, Madre de, is it de Nino? Two Nino. But I'm very sure it's a mother of two Ninos. Ninos, is that boys? Let's see. Um, Espanol again, Spanish marketplace. So Google Translate. Two children. Ooh, wow, my Spanish is not good. Mother of two children. Okay. So you can do mother of two boys, mother of two girls, mother of three boys, mother of three girls. You can just do several shoots like that. Mother of three children, mother of four children, just like that, guys. So the niche, I always like niches like this that you can scale it, because there's several people who don't have two children. Some have three, some have four, some have five, and some have all girls and all boys. So you can say mother of girls, mother of boys, just like that, guys. So I'm really liking this niche right here. I think I've seen this one before, in the previous year when it was doing crazy. So this one too is 1500 BSR, actually 1538 to be more specific, and it's also doing well. So this is price 1798 euros, and over 8 reviews, 75 sales. So that was our one, two, three, fourth foot shirt, and a fit shirt, fit type is this one, La Meilleure Madre del Mundo. So the best mom in the world. Leva esta camiseta. This is the shirt. Something about shirt. Still in the Espanol marketplace, guys. So if you haven't made these shirts in your other marketplaces, I recommend that you do, because it is doing quite well here in the Spanish marketplace. I don't know if it's in this particular type of shirt is in the US marketplace. So if you're focusing in other marketplaces, I really, really recommend that you make shirts like this, because the BSLs are really, really low. The best model in the world wears this t-shirt. Okay, that's what it says. And quite easy, just pink and white. Quite beautiful shirt. And price 1999, 5 reviews, 68 sales, 4000 BSL, guys. Look at that. And what we're going to do right now is to move to the deleted designs. Let's take a look at the deleted designs and see what we shouldn't be doing there. After that, we're going to take a look at the upcoming issues, so we can start making shirts as soon as possible. So deleted designs, we have this ones here. That was removed April 23rd. That was yesterday. Let's see why this was removed. This one says cute bicycle. I don't know why it was removed. This one says I'm a darts and beer. Okay, anything that has to do with beer and you put it on a children's or youth, you check the youth option, is definitely gonna be removed. I've learned that the hard way, so you guys shouldn't do it. If you are doing that, anything that has to do with adult content, definitely or check the youth content, so um prevent your whole designs from getting deleted. So this one says Beastars. I'm guessing this from a anime or something, cartoon. And this one too, this one here too. I'm sure that from all TV shows or something, and people have just made t-shirts about them when you don't have the rights to make t-shirts about any anime, cartoon, or anything like that, any character in general, if you don't have the rights, I definitely recommend that you don't, in order to prevent your account from getting banned, guys. So there's other ones here. I don't know why this is getting deleted. This one here, Bond. I'm sure that word Bond is trademark, if I haven't mistaken. And this other one here, yeah, it definitely looks like anime. And age something you hate us. Um, shirts about hate, war, things like that. Amazon doesn't like, so be very careful. And no marks, yeah, that is marks. Obviously, COVID and things like that. Tyranny, yeah, definitely gonna remove this one. And this one too, February girl, the soul of a mermaid. I'm sure mermaid is trademark too, guys. So look at this one here, Papa 2021. I don't know why this was removed, to be sincere. And it was already selling, guys. You can see, as you can see. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. I can't go through all of them, but if you're interested in taking a look at all of them, I have the link to Fly Research and a coupon code for you guys in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. And right now, we're gonna move to the upcoming niches um, for the month. So we're gonna go to social media holidays and take a look at we're already done with April, guys. So we're focusing on May and other designs. I already spoke of I think we ended in Mother's Day last time. Yeah, I'm sure. And next, what are we looking at? We have National Limerick Day, National Receptionist Day, International Day of Families, Love a Tree Day, International Day Against Homophobia and Transphobia, National Memo Day, National Bike to Work Day, Endangered Species Day, National Scavenger Hunt Day, Heat Awareness, Hamburger Day. So the next week, I'm gonna finish the rest of the niches. So guys, if you found this helpful, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.